Is it my birthday?
Not quite. But it might feel like it.
After we make this, it might.
It could be.
I found this on the interweb, and I talked to Brigita. I had to twist her arm into making this. After about 6 visits to the grocery store, she finally caved and let me pick up a box of
cake mix.
Yellow cake mix, right?
Yellow cake mix, yeah.
And a bottle of Fanta. We don't need all of this. We're going to need 10 ounces, but we're going to make, what is it officially called?
Orange Fanta cake.
Awesome, orange Fanta cake. Stay tuned.
Let's see how it goes. Okay.
Do I stay here?
No.
Aw.
Well, you can if you want.
Can I open the bottle?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Ooh, gotta be careful.
10 ounces. I'm adding my cake mix. And then I'm going to add the orange Fanta. So adding this replaces adding an egg, water, butter, or milk. And now all we have to do is whisk. Now all I need to do is put it in my dish, which is already greased. All right, now I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to turn the dish. Wow, it looks like it's going to be a nice cake. Well, it took longer for the oven to heat up to 350 than it did to actually make this cake. So now it's going in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Give it one last shake. Now we're gonna have to wait. All right, we're gonna take it out of the oven. Check that out. Now we're gonna have to let it sit for a little bit and cool off.
Smells delicious.
Looks like a cake.
It does.
You would never know. All right, now we're gonna try the 2-ingredient orange Fanta cake. But first, I have to put some Ready Whip on.
Fanta was one of my favorite soft drinks when I was a kid.
That looks pretty good.
It does, looks really nice.
Much better than yours.
Little experience.
And a little zest from an orange.
Oh wow, it's fluffy. I don't think it needs the Cool Whip, Brigita.
No? Well, I like Cool Whip.
This is surprisingly delicious.
It is. Very light. Wow, I never would have thought.
Wow.
I know, and I don't even like orange Fanta.
But who doesn't like cake? Probably
Right.
a lot of people, but...
It's not overly sweet.
No, it's not. It's not as tall as I thought it would be. Maybe it's because you used a very long...
True. If I had a
cake pan.
smaller pan, I wouldn't go as small as an 8x8 or 9x9 maybe, but...
This would be a great thing with kids.
Right, yes, they could definitely do it.
2 ingredients.
I know, who couldn't do that? Even if you don't bake, you could make this.
Well, pretty cool. Thanks.
It is. You're welcome. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. 2 videos a week, and the recipe, for as easy as it is in the description box. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
1, 2.
Nice.